Alright, so welcome back to the channel. If you made it here, I don't know how you did that. I appreciate it for tuning in. Someone requested this. Someone asked for an updated Robinhood video. Don't know if you still paying attention to my channel, but let me know in the comments or whatever. My eyes are red. Yes, no, I haven't been chiefing. I think I'm tired. Maybe I don't even know why my eyes are red. I don't feel tired, but feel me, it could be anything. Who knows? I've been up since like 8 a.m. though. So, and right now it's like what 10 p.m. So I'm about to knock out because I'm trying to go to the gym tomorrow. I need to get back in the gym, trying to get brolic, trying to get right, trying to eat healthy and all of that. I low key want to try low key make a fitness channel, or like not a fitness channel, but like something similar, like a lifestyle type of channel. You feel me? Like do better. Like I feel like niggas need to do better in terms of enhancing their life and shit like that. But that's not what this video is about. You feel me? Sorry about the getting sidetracked, but that happens on like all of my videos. Today we're going to talk about Robinhood updated portfolio. Um, I actually recently took out a lot of money out of here. Like I took out like close to like $2,000 at one point, and I took out another like another few stacks. Then I took out a little bit more. I'm not gonna go through my history and let you know exactly how much I took out, but you feel me? I did take out money a couple times in here. Today it says, so this would be Friday because it's the weekend right now. You feel me? Um, Today it says I lost $130. I don't know how that's possible when you look at this chart right here, but whatever. Um, Near the end of the day, after hours, it says I'm up $53.74. Overall, I think I was up on the day, so I can't complain. Regardless if it was only like $50, um, I was up on the day on Friday, and I can't complain. It was a good day. Um, let's look at the week. If y'all can even see this, hopefully it's big enough and y'all can see. Um, right here, if y'all can see this number, I don't know. But right there on the week, I'm up 1,000. I'm up $1,000. Not bad. I've done better in the past. I think in the last video I was doing a lot better on the week. On the week I was probably up like two k or maybe even 3k. But there was a point when I did that last video. I think I was doing some ridiculous numbers, like unbelievable. It's been harder because the market's been crazy volatile, like up and down. If you follow SPY, you'd know. You feel me? If you follow the S&P 500, it's been all over the place, like up $5, down $5. It's not supposed to be doing that, or at least most of the times it's not supposed to be doing shit like that. But since the market's been so volatile and we have so much stuff going on, it's been all over the place, and people just don't know which direction to go, whether they should be buying or selling or what. You feel me? Not even me. I don't even know. So I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna tell you what I think is the best option to do right now. I've been losing in certain plays. You feel me? It's just that I make it up sometimes with other plays. So you always gotta, you can't just go in one direction. You feel me? Sometimes you gotta go in both directions because you don't know which way, you're not 100% sure which way it's gonna go. You feel me? The trade can always go against you, so you gotta be careful, and you can't trade with emotion. Every trader says that you can't trade with emotion. Everyone does it though. Everyone trade. Don't get me wrong. Everyone trades with emotion, especially if you start losing badly. You get real emotional, but you have to try not to. On the month, if you can see here, I'm up almost 2k, 1,800, 11% in the past month. Last 3 months, I'm up like 2k, almost 3k. So as you can see, it's been up. I've been up a little bit more. Like around November, I was up the most. I was up like 6k in November. I dropped down a little bit, but technically I'm still up on the 3 months. In a year, I'm up crazy. And all time, we're not gonna show that because when I first started off, I was doing bad. You feel me? So all time, I'm actually still technically down. But on this year has been very good to me. And I had stopped trading at one point, but I started trading again a year ago, and I basically like taught myself different tricks and tried to learn more than what I was doing before. Before, what I was doing, I was just basically day trading and trying to find day trades and different plays and stuff like that. Now I'm more into options and credit spreads and calls and puts, and I mostly trade SPY. You feel me? Of course, I have a lot of other stuff. Like if you look over here, okay, I have a whole bunch of options right here. This isn't that important. I've made a few plays. I made a play on purple and Piton. They're doing terrible and they're dying right now. Don't trade those. Don't do these two, purple or Piton. But I have it for a year, so I'm just gonna hold it and see what happens. If I lose all the money on those, so be it. But those were just tests. You feel me? And in my eyes, that's how I look at them. I have a straddle play. I'm gonna have to edit that out. I didn't mean to go up. I didn't mean to go up that high. I didn't mean to go up that high. I'm gonna have to edit that out. You feel me? But this is what I want to show y'all right here. It's this straddle play. Basically, what I did. A straddle play is buying a call and selling a put, I believe. Buying a call and selling a put, I believe. Um, no, buying a call and buying a put. That's what a straddle is. You feel me? And so that's what I would suggest you do right now. If you like, if you're not watching the market all the time, if you're unsure where it's gonna go, buy a call and buy a put and just wait. Just hold it. You feel me? The stock market is gonna choose a direction to go in. It's staying flat is highly unlikely. It's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Just ride it until one of either the call or the put pays off, and just sell the call once you hit like a good enough profit where you think SPY might, when you think SPY has hit a ceiling, sell when you get, decent profit. Take your money, and then if it starts dropping, that's good because now you have a put in the other direction. If it doesn't drop, the put is gonna go to zero basically. Hopefully you keep your call until your put goes to zero. So when you sell your call, you get your maximum profit off that, or you get a good profit off that, and then the put is already at zero, so you can't lose anymore. Now you just gotta wait and see if it goes down. You feel me? Then you can make even more money off from the put. Feel me? That's kind of harder to explain. If you're into stocks, if you're into options, then you'll understand what I'm saying right there. If you're not and you know nothing about trading, you're gonna be lost in everything I just said. I'm sorry, but there's no other way for me to explain it really. Um, but you could watch other people's videos and try and figure what I just said out. All of that might have sounded like nonsense. But if you trade calls and and you buy calls and you bought puts, then you know exactly what I just said. You feel me? And that's what the straddle is. The straddle is a straddle is like, it's the same thing as buying a call and buying a put, but Robinhood names it a straddle if you do it at once. You could simply just buy a call and then buy a put, but you could also do it in one little option and they call it a straddle, which is what I have right here. I'm currently losing money on it, but I'm just gonna wait. I have a whole lot of time. My straddle doesn't expire until next month around the 25th. It's only January 15th, so I have a whole lot of time for SPY to keep bouncing around and moving and pick a direction to move. And I'm only losing what, like $200 right now. As soon as it picks a direction and goes there, this could be up like a good 200, 300, 400, $500 in no time. So I'm just gonna hold it. Other than that, I have a whole bunch of, look at these, you feel me? I have LTCO. These are my dividend plays. I'm just gonna hold them forever, you feel me, at this point. I don't really care where they move. I have some options where some stocks where you see I have more than 100. I'm selling puts on those. CFMS, that was a risky play that I took. Should have sold it, and now I'm just holding it. I'm basically a bag holder at this point. Don't care about selling it. I won't buy anymore, but I don't think I'm gonna sell it either because I really just, I'll hold it till it drops to zero. There's not much money in there anyway. You feel me? Um, and yeah, I just have a whole bunch of, Microsoft, Nike, Coca-Cola, like whole bunch of dividend plays. And the goal with these is just to hold them forever and hopefully the dividends pay off. You feel me? In the future, that's it. Um, Other than that, I'm just SPY, man. I just stick with SPY. I stick with SPY. I stick with SPY. And I sell calls on other stocks. But right now, the market is crazy. A lot of stuff be dropping. and then one day they're up, and the next day they drop crazy. So you really just gotta play it, play the market, play it, play it up and then play it down. You feel me? You can't. It's you could hold certain stuff, but it's also hard to hold with everything going up and down, crazy. You really just gotta like buy low and then sell high. You feel me? Sell when you get a decent profit and sell it and then just wait because eventually it's gonna drop and then just buy it up again when it drops to a low enough number for you and then sell it high again. You feel me? Because it's just always gonna do that. It's always gonna do that. Since I've been in here, I've seen it drop and go back up and then go up and then drop. And you feel me? That's how the market works. So you really just gotta pay attention and figure out where the resistances are. And that's pretty much it. From there you'll be solid. Just watch and pay attention. That's all I gotta say. If y'all want another update in the future, just let me know. But right now I'm not doing too bad in the market. I have taken out money. I have taken profit. Um, and I'm just gonna keep trying to grow. That's all I gotta say. I suggest you get in the market at least a little bit and try to learn a little bit about it. It may not be for you, but at the same time, it could also be for you. Like, so you never know. But I say at least try it out. See if you like it. Try to learn a little bit, watch other videos, learn different strategies, learn the options, and see how it goes for you. You feel me? That's all I really gotta say.